Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound. For today's project we're going to use this gold Paracord 550, the dark blue and the burgundy or the wine color, and as well the 5/8 of an inch Paracord Buckles. The inspiration for this project came from our friends BoredParacord and Paracord one-on-one. The bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial how to make it, you have in the top right corner information cards and down below in the description box, so make sure to check it out. So that being said, we're gonna take our burgundy and the dark blue joined together and we're gonna insert it on the bottom of our jig. So from the top, take a bite and insert it. I'm gonna take a bite of dark blue and insert it from the top through the buckle, like so. Then we're gonna pass these two cords through the loop. This way, as you will shortly see, we created the basic cowl hitches and we're gonna proceed. So now when we created our bracelet base or a core, we can start. We're gonna take our dark blue and place it on top of the core strands. And then with the burgundy, we're gonna place it on top of the dark blue, around and under the core strands, and then from the back through the loop on the left side. So now when we created this first knot of our bracelet, we're gonna introduce our gold paracord. So from the top, we're gonna insert it on the left side into the loop, and then we're gonna pull it from the both sides to have the equal length of a cord from the bottom and from the top. Now we're gonna tie this up and we're gonna proceed. So we're gonna take our dark blue and place it again on top of the core strands. With the burgundy, we're gonna place it on top of the dark blue from the back and through the loop on the right side. Now we're gonna insert our top gold into the loop. And from the back, we're gonna pass it through the top our backside gold. And then we're gonna lock our knot. Now we're gonna take the dark blue, place it on top of the core strands, and with our burgundy, place it on top of the dark blue, around and from the back through the loop on the left side. Now from here, take the top side gold, pass it from the top into the loop on the left side, take the back side gold and pull it from the back through the loop on the left side and to the top, then lock our knot and proceed. But we need to correct something. untie the knot and then simply change the position of the gold cords. So the back side gold will be in front of this gold, not onto the back. So from the back through the top, and now we're gonna lock our knot. So we're gonna proceed. So here we are, we reached the end of our bracelet. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button to be notified whenever we make a new video. So that being said, until the next time, wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye.